Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making a very delicious snack, and these are things that you can get from your local Japanese store. First is the shrimp cracker, like this. Second is your typical mayonnaise sauce. And this is a tonkatsu sauce, which tastes really good with this all together. And lastly, an egg. So we are going to start by preheating. I'm supposed to make that hand sound. Okay. Oh, one thing more to add. One last thing is your oil, so you can use any oil you like. Olive oil, avocado oil are the two that I use the most. And you can just pour it in there for now. So don't need a lot. Okay, you're going to kind of spread the oil a little bit because you don't want it to get stuck. It's starting to get warm. This is the first time I've used this electric stove because I thought it would be nice to be able to show it to you guys. Anyways, I think we are ready, and one thing to check if you are ready to put the egg in is a water test. So if it sizzles like that, you are good to go. Now that it's hot enough, we can put the egg in now. And you want to pop the egg because it's going to be on the flat end. So you pop it and you try to spread this a little bit. There you go. If you like, you can add some salt and pepper to this dish. I don't add any because there's sodium in the tonkatsu sauce already. Cut open this. Ooh. And then we will place this on top. Let it sit there for a little bit. Okay, so if you move it like this and it's moving along with the cracker, that's basically what you want. So this is good. And you can pretty much turn off the heat now at this point. So now I just flip it. Put the other side for a little bit. You can see it pop up a little bit with the heat. And voila! That is all you need. You don't want it to be on the heat for too long because you want it to be still crispy. That's all you have to do for the egg and cracker part. Now you just add it like so. And then you add it like this way. And there you have it, a super yummy snack that you can have. This is really, really yummy. If you like, you can add a little bit like other stuff on it, like garnishes and whatnot, but this is how I like to eat it. I'm gonna take a quick picture first, but after that I'll eat this. Okay, itadakimasu. Let's try that. Yummy cracker. I don't know if you guys can hear the crunch. It's really crunchy. seasoning. If you want to be healthier, you can put less sauce in. But this tastes so good with the sauce, so I just went ham. I'm really enjoying this. I find the crispiest part is on the outer corner inside, because I think with the egg it kind of gets a little bit more soggy. I forgot to mention this. Make sure you put it in a Ziploc bag. Don't let it be exposed to the air too much, otherwise it'll lose the crispiness of it. And if you like, you can hamburger it. This thing is really good. Let me just show you. The hamburger it, this part will still be super crispy. That's so good. I'm not sure if this recipe is original or not. This is something that my husband made for me. And when we went to the Japanese store just yesterday, I saw the shrimp cracker. I'm like, I'm gonna make that egg shrimp cracker that you made for me before and show people so people can try it out too. It's honestly so good, guys. You have to try it. Last bite. Try some. If you guys would like to try it out, give it a go definitely, and let me know in the comments below how you like it. Otherwise, I will see you guys next time. Bye.